In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Smartsheet dashboard with external users. Whether you're collaborating with team members outside your organization or presenting data to stakeholders, sharing your dashboard effectively can make all the difference. Together, we'll walk through this process step by step to ensure clarity and ease. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is your central hub for accessing all your projects and dashboards, so getting acquainted with it can streamline your workflow. Once you're there, locate and open the specific dashboard you intend to share. Finding the right dashboard might seem straightforward, but with multiple projects, it's easy to click on the wrong one. Double check that it's the dashboard you're ready to showcase. Once your dashboard is open, you'll need to head to the File menu located in the dashboard's menu bar. From here, select the Publish option. This step is crucial as it determines how your dashboard will be shared and who will have access to it. Publishing your dashboard makes it accessible externally, bridging the gap between your internal data and the outside world. Next, toggle the Read Only Full option to On. This ensures that the external viewers will have a consistent and unrestricted glimpse of your dashboard, but without the ability to alter any data or configuration. It's an essential step to maintain data integrity while still sharing insights with your audience. After you've switched the toggle on, click on the Get Link button. This action will generate a URL specifically for your dashboard. With this link, anyone you choose to share it with will have direct access to your curated data visualization. However, bear in mind that this link is your gateway to external sharing. Treat it with care and distribute it only to those who genuinely need it. The next point of action is to select the Access Control option. This feature allows you to determine who can view your published dashboard. You have the flexibility to make it accessible to anyone with the link or restrict it to users within your Smartsheet plan. It's up to you to balance accessibility with security, depending on your sharing needs. Now, copy the URL generated and begin sharing it with your external users. By accessing this link, they'll be able to view the dashboard in a read-only format, providing them with all the insights they need sans editing capabilities. Finally, if you wish to embed the dashboard on a web page, you can copy the embed code. This is a fantastic option if your audience frequents a particular site, as it allows seamless integration and accessibility without navigating away from the page. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing your Smartsheet dashboard with external users. Implement these steps and you'll enhance communication and data sharing with ease.